Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and machine learning with the help of tutorials offered by a platform called Coursera. So, let's get started. Coursera offers a variety of courses on machine learning, making it easy to learn about different libraries and algorithms. One such course focuses on recommender systems, which are used by companies like Netflix and Amazon to suggest movies or products. The course covers various algorithms like KNN, ALS, and GS. You'll learn how to implement these algorithms using Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and AWSL. And don't worry if you're a beginner, there's no prior experience required. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build your very own recommender system. The best part, if you finish all 3 courses on Coursera by Google Cloud, in collaboration with deep learning technology, you could actually earn a certificate from deep learning. Talk about credentials, so there you have it, folks. If you are interested in exploring the world of AI and machine learning with Coursera tutorials, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.